Okay, welcome back everyone. Today is day 4 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. Thank you so much for joining me today. Our mantra today is going to be I am alive. I am alive. So roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay, so we'll begin this practice today doing our favorite HIIT salutations. So coming up to the top of our mat, placing the feet together or hip width distance apart, we'll just jump right in. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. Give me 5 push-ups. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, down dog. Give me 5 down dog push-ups. Come back to down dog. Take a rest. Breathe. Notice what it feels like to be alive today. On your next inhale, come up on your tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. 5 push-ups. Inhale, upward dog. Keep the core engaged. Exhale, downward facing dog. Give me 5 down dog push-ups. Back to down dog. Take a breath. On your next inhale, come up on your tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. 3 more, we got this. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. 5 push-ups. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 5 down dog push-ups. Back to down dog. Breathe. I am alive. Inhale, tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. 2 more, come on, we got this. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. 5 push-ups. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. 5 push-ups. Back to down dog. My triceps are burning. Notice what it feels like to be alive today in your body. What it feels like to breathe. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. 1 more. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands. Give me 5 push-ups. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Last 5 down dog push-ups. Here we go. Take a breath in down dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees with forward step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, take a breath here. Feel that heart rate jump up. All right, so from here we'll do 15 squats. So taking our feet about as wide as the mat, so we'll begin. And 5 more. And 15, perfect. From here, step back to the top of the mat if you're not there already. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. And you can now lower down onto your knees here. We'll take a forearm plank for 30 seconds. Clasping the hands together if you wish. And we'll start now. Make sure to breathe, keep the core engaged. Halfway. Five more seconds, we got this. And on your next exhale, we'll make our way into an extended child's pose, taking a nice little rest here. From here, let's make our way up into a downward facing dog. And right away, we'll inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the right foot forward. Inhale, come up into high lunge. Give me 5 lunge dips. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. Chaturanga, move through your flow. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale. This time step the left foot forward. Inhale, coming up into high lunge. Give me 5 lunge dips. Exhale, plant the hands, move through your flow. We'll meet in downward facing dog. Taking a breath here. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, bring the right knee to right elbow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step the right foot forward. Pivot the left foot to 90 degrees. Air guitar your left arm up. Taking a nice warrior two. Second right knee over right ankle. Right heel in line with the left arch. Arms to a T, breathe here. I am alive. Inhale, come into a peaceful warrior. Exhale, straighten the right leg. Inhale, shift forward toward the right foot. Then exhale, drop it down into a triangle pose. Take 5 breaths here. And your next exhale, bend the right knee. Come back to warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Move through your flow. We'll meet back in downward facing dog. Right away, inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the left foot forward, pivot the right foot 90 degrees. Air guitar your right arm up. Find your foundation, left knee over left ankle. Left heel in line with right arch. Arms to a T, breathe. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, straighten the left leg. Inhale, shift toward the left toes. Exhale, drop it down, warrior two. Triangle pose. Two more breaths here. Exhale, bend the left knee, come back to warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Move through your flow. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog. Take a breath. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Great work, everyone. Let's take a little breath here. From here, we can keep our feet hip-width distance or bring them in closer together. And we'll come up onto our tippy toes. I like to call this like the Frankenstein elevator. So coming up onto the tippy toes, extending our arms out long like a Frankenstein. And just ever so slowly bend the knees and lower down like Frankenstein is going down an elevator. Keep on going down. And then inhale, come all the way back up. Give the legs a little shake. Up on the top floor. And then we'll get right back into it one more time. Coming up onto the tippy toes, arms extended out long. Ever so slowly lower down the elevator. And stopping halfway. Elevator needs maintenance. Exhale, lower all the way down. Give yourself a big hug. From here, we'll make our way onto our backs, keeping the soles of the feet in the ground. And we'll work the abs now. So we're going to do some leg climbers. For those of you that did P90X way back in the day, you might remember these from Ab Ripper X. So keeping the left foot rooted into the mat, we'll bring our right leg up towards the sky, and we're simply just going to grab the legs 2, 3, 4 times. Try to make your way up to your foot like you're climbing your leg. So you can grab 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, whatever feels nice to you, and we'll do this 12 times on each leg. So here we go. 1, 2, 2 more, here we go. And let's do 1 more just for fun. Exhale, bring the right foot down to the mat. Bring our left leg up towards the sky. When you're ready, we'll start climbing our left leg 12 times. There we go, 1 more. And 1 more just for fun. Exhale, bringing the left foot down to meet the right. And right away, we're gonna do 30 seconds heel touches. So rocking side to side, touching the heels, keeping the core engaged. Halfway, here we go, we got this. Notice what it feels like to be alive. Notice what it feels like to feel that burn. That growth going on in your body. 5 seconds. Great job, everyone. From here, let's rock up and down a couple times. And we'll make our way into a cobra, stretching out those abs. Looking one way and the other. And we'll end today's practice, day 4, in a nice little toe stand. So curling the toes, sitting back onto your heels, giving the feet a nice little stretch. Day 4 in the books. Great job, everyone. We'll bring our hands together at our hearts. The light me honors the light. And all of you, I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.